Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to present to you the IT's Produmex WMS release notes 2023.10. We are going to start out with the highlights and then outline the new features of the fresh release. Stay with me and get familiar with what the new release has to offer. In our video today we are going to discuss the BEARS lock or WMS reservation override for ad hoc moves on the mobile client, and also the new memory cleaner feature dubbed MC², also for the mobile client. When selecting ad hoc move on the mobile client, it is now possible to move SSCs locked by BEARS or reserved by WMS within the BEARS WMS integration framework, may it be full, multiple or partial movement. On the new screen on the mobile client, users can now select reserved units to be moved, accompanied with a confirmation selection. This feature solves such logistical issues on the spot as having to relocate a locked or reserved SSCC due to the physical location being full. A fully automated memory cleaner for mobile client, MC², has been introduced for WMS. This feature optimizes the memory usage of every mobile client instance and lowers it by hundreds of megabytes or even a gigabyte for streamlining overall performance of the terminal server running the client. If, for example, 50 mobile client instances are used on the terminal server, it means that the freed up memory can easily reach 50 gigabytes or more depending on the workload. To learn more about the new feature of Produmex WMS, check out the official release notes documentation on Produmex Wiki. This concludes our video on the new features of IT's Produmex WMS 2023.10. We encourage you to upgrade to this latest version of our solution and to keep in touch concerning any questions you might have. Please visit our community on the link below and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.